So I've just noticed here that we've still got loads of cars intersecting each other. So we just need a quick fix for that, all right? So if we come back up here, okay, just after this point where we're making these boxes. So come up to just after the boolean, okay, and before this connectivity. I want to store the current connectivity, so that I'm visualizing it there, right? So I'm visualizing the class attribute. So if you're not seeing it, just come here, click on class, and you'll see it there. And I want to save this attribute because we lose it when we come here. You can see it changes, but I want to save that, so I'm just going to generate another attribute, right, and call it well, actually I'm going to make a string attribute because of the way I want to use it later. It has to be a string. Okay, so it's going to be called s@old class, and then I'm just going to set it to the current class, but we need it again to be a string, so just use that I2A to convert it into a string. I at class. There we go. Okay, so now if we won't be able to visualize that, but we got this new class attribute, okay, and then there it gets changed. I don't know why this is not working now. Doesn't matter really. And then down here, this was the problem. So once we assemble this, so this becomes all one object. So if we go into wireframe, you can see it's just the one point in the middle. And so we're transferring these attributes from this one point, and in terms of distance, you know, maybe this car is closer to this one, then, you know, it's not going to be transferring correctly. We need a point in the center of each of these boxes to transfer its attributes to the cars along this line. And because we've booleaned everything together, this is concerned as one object. But with that old connectivity, we can pack these individually, right? So if we, instead of using an assemble, we use a pack. Okay. We can keep this connectivity because we want it on the point. Come down here to pack and then use that attribute, so this name attribute. And we don't have names. Well, we do, but on the cars themselves. And we use that old class. And that should work. Maybe we need to reset this. Let's see. Oh, maybe I didn't do that. Ah, there we go. That needs to be on the primitives. And there we go. So now you can see we've got a point for each box. Okay, so that's using that old attribute instead of doing it like that. All right. So that should be it. If we bring that here now, we should hopefully see. Oh, we need to transfer those attributes over as well. So class and color, class and CD. And there we go. So now you can see all of the intersecting cars are red, and then that should, you know, all flow through correctly here. Merge them together. Let's put it back into smooth wire shaded. And I don't think I see any intersecting cars now. It's working much better. Yeah, just go through them. Okay, you might, you shouldn't, but you might have, you know, a few mistakes still. But if you do, you can just select them and delete them, okay? But that's fine, you know, all fixed and ready to go.